section of Uncle Sam's Math tutorial. Remember, before you do any other thing, to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Now, today's class will be considering approximating to the nearest decimal place. Okay. Now, firstly, we have to know what a decimal number is. A decimal number is a number is denoted by decimal point. Okay, so if I have something like this, 5.026, yeah, the number before the point, if you're going this way, the number before you get to the point is a whole number. It's a whole number. Why the number after the point? These three numbers are what? Decimal numbers. Why? Because they come right after the decimal point. So that is how to know a decimal number and a whole number. So in this video, we'll be treating how to round up to the nearest decimal place. Now let's go in. The first question says round off 3.8679 to 2 decimal place. Now when you're rounding up to decimal places, the whole number will remain the same. It will not change. You're not going to throw it away. In the final answer you're going to put it is still going to be there. So look at what I mean. Now, first of all, write out the number, solution. I'll write out the number that I'm approximating. Now, let's approximate. Now, in my final answer, 3 will be there. There will be points. Then the 2 decimal place means after the point, count 2 numbers. 1 and 2. So this is the 2 decimal place, right? But the next we need to do is to check the next number. The next number is 7. Eh? If it's on the side of rounding up or rounding down, you do the needful. So this is 7. That is the next number is 7. And I told you the range to round up is from 5 to 9. So if you have a number that is 5 to 9, you round up, which means you add 1 to this last decimal place. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to add 1 to 6. And if you add 1 to 6, it's going to give you what? 7. So our final answer will be what? 3.87. That is it. That is how to round up to the nearest decimal place. The next question says round up this number to what? To 1 decimal place. As usual, you write out the number 0.0567. Now let's round it up to the nearest 1 decimal place. After the point, first of all, write your number on the whole number part. That is 0. It has to be there. It's not changing. You're only affecting the decimal place, not the whole number side. Now after the point, you have what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 numbers here, but they ask us to put it just in 1 decimal place. So this is the first decimal place here. Yes, 0 is the first decimal place. Yeah. In decimal place, whether it's 0 or any other number, it is considered. Okay. So the next you're going to do is check the next number, which is 5. We are going to round up. Round up means you're going to what? Add 1 here. And if you notice, these numbers do not apply. It is just the nearest one to the one you're affecting that you round up or round down. So if you add 1 to 0, it will give us what? 1. So our final answer is going to be what? 0.1. And we are done. Lastly here, we are having round off 9.9997 to 3 decimal place. As usual, we'll write out our 9.9997. Now let's round it up to 3 decimal place. Okay, now this is a bit tricky. What we're going to do is what? This is 9.9997. So let's count the 3 decimal places that we're rounding up. 1, 2, 3. The next thing to do is to add 1 here because 7 is among rounding up. When you have 7, you round up by adding 1. If you add 1 to 9, it's going to give us 10. But we can't have 9.9910. It's not possible. So we're going to add 0, add the 1 here. Same thing, add 0, add the 1 here. Same thing, add 0, and what? Add the 1 here. So you found out at the end of the day, you're going to be having what? 10.0 or simply 10. Okay, I hope you got that. This is how to round up numbers to the nearest decimal place. See you in the next video. Bye.